Namaste, Khush Raho Bitia. Today's topic is impetigo. Impetigo is the superficial skin infection that is seen most commonly in children and is transmitted easily from person to person based on the clinical presentation. Type bullons and non-bullons. There are two ways in initial infection can occur. Primary impetigo is when the bacteria invades the skin through a cut, insect bite, or other injury, and secondary is where the bacteria invades the skin because the skin barrier has been disrupted by another skin infection such as scabies or eczema. Epidemiology: the bullous from most frequently affected neonate and account for approximately 10% of all cases in impetigo based on the data from study published since 2000 from low and low middle income countries. We estimate the global population of children suffering from impetigo at any one time to be in excess of 162 millions, predominantly in tropical resource poor context. Impetigo is an under-recognized disease, and its conjunction with scabies comprise a major childhood dermatological condition with potential lifelong consequence if untreated. Occurrence on exposed skin, mainly on face, most common during hot, humid weather with facilities microbial colonization of the skin. Minor trauma such as scratch or insect bites then allow entry of organism into the superficial layer of skin and infection and causes caused by S pyogens, but S aureus either along or in combination with S pyogen has emerged more recently as the principal cause of impetigo. The bullous from a scourge from strain of S aureus capable of producing exfoliative toxins. Bullous impetigo and blisters. This form is caused by staph bacteria that produce a toxin that cause a break between the top layer epidermis and the lower level of skin, forming a blister. The medical term of blister is bulla. Blister can appear in various skin areas, especially the buttocks. Though these blisters are fragile and often break and leave red, raw skin with a raised edges. No prior trauma is needed for these blisters to appear. Non because this is the common form caused by the both straps and strap bacteria. It appears as a small blister or scab. Is then from yellow or honey color crust. These often start around the nose and on the face, but they also may affect the arm and legs. At times, they may be shown gland nearby. Thank you.